My pear tree is flourishing. There's one little bud here, one coming out here. This is obvious. And then there's this big one here. And that one actually have things coming out the side. And at the top, there's new leaves at the top too. The orchid is dying. Don't ask me how I kill an orchid. But see, this look like little life here, so I have to do better. The pepper is pretty much dead. And bugs are eating this one. Crazy. 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 I have to do better with the plants. She came inside? Is she wearing her shoes? Oh no. I'm taking deep breaths. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. 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 You got me so turned up. It still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get right. Too much on me about the ironing off the clothes in the morning because yes, this is the last day of school before holidays, so I don't need to iron again until like Sunday or maybe Friday if I'm being a responsible human being. Tell me why this man tell me to share with him breakfast and I'm going outside door. Gone back outside, gonna make nice. Wanna hear the noise? This is good. Anyhow, we're going to be late this morning. I'm gonna get ready. The kids are eating, so I'm gonna go get ready. And then when they're done eating, baby girl is ready. I need to get Mr. ready, but baby girl is already ready, so just need to get myself together and then get him together. This is breakfast. And I'm telling no lie. The 10 caramel is so good, I just want to eat it alone. I not even want another salmon. POV. Oh, I say it's not, oh, if you're doing it on purpose. She goes, yeah. Anyhow, I'm ready. Are you almost done, Papa? He's making a mess with his potatoes and the ketchup. So, guys, somebody tell me, what do 4-year-olds eat, 5-year-olds? And I shouldn't be asking this question, to be honest. But he goes through these phases. So right now he's in his potato wedges phase. And I have a chicken tender in that place, and the chicken tender is just left to the side. She, on the other hand, she eats off pretty much all of her chicken tender. Now she's just throwing everything on the floor because apparently she's finished eating, and that's what you do when you're done eating. You just throw your food on the floor. Alright, stop playing in the food now. He's just mushing the potatoes around. Stop!
I'm trying to mush them. Imagine you better fall out and try something down. Hoping your last secret spit it out your mouth. Inhale, exhale, breathe.
This car is malfunctioning. It would not start a while ago. It was telling me something about the key. But the key's fine. Battery's not dying. This is the second time this is happening to me. Anyhow, guys, it is 8:19 a.m. We are late, but I'm gonna go inside and tell Hubby that it just did this in case he needs to come rescue me. So this, I'm not gonna turn it off once I'm just gonna drop him off at school and come back. scary. Hold on.
I was not shouting at guys.
You were not shouting at them? Okay, great.
Hello guys. I didn't shout at.
Alright.
And I said, guys.
Let's see if there's
Guys,
5 trillion. I'm gonna make sure I have my purse.
Oh,
Let's see if there's a lot of traffic on the road.
My car.
Car dropped.
Yes, my yellow car. Wait, guys.
Where did it come?
Right here.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
There are my glasses.
Can you see it?
No, I can't.
I don't see it. You sure it's right there, Joe? Alright, we're late, so we gotta just leave the car alone. And we don't have any music because I have not connected the new phone to the car yet. I'm hot. School drop off complete. I'm gonna try and see if I can connect this phone to the car so we can get some music going. Why am I feel like I want to sleep? Do you see the sleep in my eyes? Okay, I am connected, so now we can play music. Let's go. We're gonna listen to our music and we're gonna head back home. It's very windy outside and it's overcast. It was nice and bright this morning, as you could see when I was having my coffee outside. And then close to when we were getting ready to leave, that's when it got all gloomy. It seemed like it was raining down here before, or it was raining somewhere else because some of the cars have water.
You gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. Now he always on my mind. Don't you? Know you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word.
That's why I bought this and mini vacuum cleaner, right? So I expected it to be small, but this tiny. So let's unbox it. I have some other stuff over there, but the brush, USB cable. Got this little. It's super mini, super mini, super mini. And this is all it comes with. So I guess I'll just figure it out. Can't be that hard. Well, I can use it on my laptop. Make we see what I say. Oh, so I have to put in this and then this, and I'm gonna why is this upside down? Okay, I'm gonna clean up my laptop. Let's do it. It's not dirty, but can you see this right here? Let's do this. So I don't know if it actually, I feel like it smells like it's a burn. Seriously? It has that burning chemical machine burning smell. Somebody's coming to investigate what's going on. What's going on over here with all this noise? It does have a little chemical smell. I'm gonna charge it right here at my desk. There's no, oh, so there's just a red light, a red charging light right there. Says it will take 4 to 5 hours to get the vacuum fully charged. The vacuum will not work until it is fully charged. Please make sure the vacuum is fully charged when you use it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there for the next 4 to 5 hours and let it charge. Like I said, there's no instructions, so I don't know if it's like to turn the light changes color or something. And then I bought a little sign for my coffee station. Somebody needs coffee. So I still have the one there from Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna change it out. And I also bought a cushion cover for my cushion right here. So this one still has Valentine's Day on it as well. This one, bought it. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. And it's really good quality. I bought this on Temu. I don't remember how much I paid for it. It's really good quality. This is really nice. It's a nice thick material and it feels nice. Let's change it out. So we have this one. My Easter cushion does not match my current throw, and I don't think I have a throw that might be a little bit lighter than this. So I can change that out later. Hi. What do you have in your hand? You went and stole Daddy's things? You went and picked up Daddy's stuff? Alexa, play TV.
Okay.
This is so cute. Isn't it so cute? Yeah. So I'll change the throw later too. I'll be doing an Easter egg hunt here on Friday, the community, but somebody has given me these and I have like chocolate and stuff in the fridge, so I was planning to do one in the backyard tomorrow, so I'm still gonna do it with these, and then on Friday we're gonna go to the one that the community is having. So I'm excited about that. The 4-year-old is excited about that. She's completely oblivious. Watch her. Don't go up there. Don't try to go up there. No. Yes, guys. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys those few things. I actually bought this to use in the car, like in the kids' car seats when they eat, and you know, crumbs and whatnot. So I guess it's a nice size. I can keep it in the compartment, in the glove compartment, or in that compartment beneath where the handrest is, the armrest in between the driver and passenger seat. Maybe I can put it in there. Who knows?
POV.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair about his tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's true, I would think it's my reflection. Being cold, she isn't close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. Wonder when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, it's from a mountain to you. I'm mountain to you. It's when I'm mountain to you. Mountain to you. Mountain to Imagine you ready for love and chase up and down. Hoping that that secret spit it out your mouth and inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking, and no way to describe it. I'm a riot. I wake up and I'm still outside you. I can stand up inside you, shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted.
happy.